Hi guys! Today I'm going to plant Diamantina clematis. I've waited 2 weeks for this blossom. Plant clematis at least a foot away from the wall or fence. So the soil is up to here, but I'm going to plant it deeper, so my soil be about 2 or 3 inches above of this soil surface here. My native soil is clay, so I'm going to use mulch for good drainage. My soil mix is 8 parts of garden soil, 2 parts of peat moss, and a handful of vermiculite. Do you know that clematis can live to 50 years if planted right, with good moisture, drainage, and growing conditions? I have here some volunteer cut mint, cosmos, borage, the 4 o'clock, which I'm interested now. Most clematis thrive in areas that provide ample sunlight 6 hours or more per day, like in rich and well-draining soil. Clematis prefer soil pH between 6.5 to 7. If your soil is highly acidic, sweeten it with limestone or add a little wood ash. If it is highly alkaline, treat your soil with sulfur. They need a structure to climb on. Mulch to help moisture conservation. Clematis are happiest with cool shade at their roots and warm sun on their foliage. I'm also planting flowers at the foot of the clematis to help cool the soil. Plant them at least a foot away from the clematis in front of the vine. Prune the clematis after their first flush of flowers in late spring. The remaining stems are about 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Prune again in late summer after the second flush of flowers. In the late winter or early spring, when frosts have passed and buds are starting to show, cut just above a bud, and the remaining stems are roughly 6 to 8 inches. I'm going to use a high nitrogen fertilizer every 2 weeks and bloom booster fertilizer every 7 days. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a wonderful day.